2. Still to do with quotes, what you could do at the start of each class is put a new quote on your board with the name of the character, or you wait until your students arrive, read the quote, and together they have a small discussion on who that quote could be linked to. So you can make it more difficult if you want the conversation to get going, or you make it very simple and obvious and you leave it there for the entire class. So you could leave it for an entire week, so you know that your students will remember that quote. So here I have an example of a poster that I would put on the board or on the door of my classroom. So this is another one with a different character. And I would leave it a week. Okay, so when they walk in, if it's on the door, they see it every time they've got a class with you.